Hi there, Warren here. Today we're going to dive deep into one of the most important steps in getting life insurance, the decision made by underwriters. Sa mga hindi familiar, this decision plays a major role in your policy and it could be the key to securing your family's future. Because for us, it's for every life, for every future. The four decisions of underwriters. Una sa lahat, ano nga bang ginagawa ng underwriters? Think of them as the guardians of your policy. Sila ang nag-i-evaluate ng health, lifestyle, at overall risks to determine the best protection for you. And there are four possible decisions that they can make. Number one, standard. Now, congratulations! You're approved for a standard rate. Ibig sabihin, you're in good health and the policy is straightforward, no added costs. Second, rated. Kapag sinabi nilang rated, it means there are certain risks that have been found. Maybe it's a medical history or health condition, kaya ang magiging monthly payment mo ay tataas ng konti. But don't let that discourage you. It simply means you're getting the coverage you need at a rate that fits your situation. Third, postpone. There are times when the underwriter will say, let's wait and see. Baka kasi meron pang medical condition na kailangan mag-improve or stabilize. The important thing to remember here is it's not a no. It's a not right now. 4. Decline. The decision we all want to avoid. Ito yung situation na due to certain risks or health issues, the underwriter might say the coverage is not possible. Now that we've discussed the decisions, let's focus on that sometimes makes people pause. Yung rated. No? So why is a rated decision an opportunity, not a setback? Pag narinig natin ang term na rated, we tend to think, ay, mahal. Pero instead of thinking about the extra cost, think about the extra protection. A rated decision is a second chance to make sure that your family is protected, that you have that safety net for the future. Bakit ito important? Kasi ang underwriter kapag nakita nila na may health risk or condition ka, they're actually saying, let's take care of you while we can still insure. Remember, we all age. We all face uncertainties in life. And if you're rated today, it means you're insurable today. Protecting your loved ones today. Let's talk about urgency. Every day na walang coverage ang pamilya mo is a day they are vulnerable. Ang health, hindi natin pwedeng hulaan at walang garantiyang magiging mas maganda pa ang health natin bukas. Kung ngayon ay rated, baka next month postponed na or worse, declined. That's the reality we have to face. That's why it's better to act now than regret later. Imagine this. If something unexpected happens, how prepared is your family to face them? Are they covered or would they struggle without a support? The beauty of being rated is that you're still given a chance to say, I want to protect my family today. So, long-term protection, a lifetime of peace of mind. And for the long term, think about what that coverage means. Peace of mind. Every payment, every premium, it's not just an expense. It's an investment in the life and future of those you love. It's knowing that whatever happens, they will not be burdened financially. That they will be taken care of. Ang life insurance ay hindi lang para sa iyo. It's for your family. For their security, for their future, for their dreams. Kaya nga, sinasabi namin sa Pro-Life UK, it's for every life, for every future. So, the next time you hear rated, don't see it as an obstacle. See it as an opportunity to secure a safer, better future for you and your loved ones. Maraming salamat sa panonood and let's continue to secure every life, every future. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start protecting your loved ones today.